So, children, good evening to all of you. And now we are in objective problem session. Okay. So today we'll solve some problems based on ionization energy. Okay, children. So okay, last electron of Ransome. It will affect, children. More will be the screening effect. It will be protect the outermost electron from the effect of nucleus, and that electron can be easily removed. Okay, first of all, immediately, come on, write the question. Which of the following statement, which of the following statement is incorrect in relation to ionization energy? Which? Okay, option A, ionization energy increases for each successive electron. B, the greater increase in ionization energy is experienced okay on removal of electron from core noble gas configuration. And option C, end of valence electrons is marked by a big jump in ionization energy. And option D, removal of electron from orbitals bearing n value is easier than from an orbital having higher value of n. Come on, these are the four options. Give me the correct answer. Which of the following statement is incorrect? The main thing is we have to find out the incorrect statement. So ionization energy increases for each successive electron. This is correct. This is correct statement. Greater increase in ionization energy experience on removal of electron from core noble gas configuration. This is also correct. If any noble gas configuration is there, means outermost 8 electrons are there. End of valence electron is marked by a big jump in ionization energy. Yes, it is also correct. They went into noble gas configuration. Then removal of E electron from orbital bearing N value is easier than from higher value of N orbital having higher value of N. Removal of electron from orbitals bearing N value is easier than from an orbital having higher value of N. I think this statement is incorrect. This statement is incorrect. This statement actually means if N increases, means atomic size increases, and if atomic size increases, okay, then ionization energy decreases. Okay, so removal of electron from orbital bearing N. So if N is there, okay, any N value, then okay, it is easier than from an higher value. No, if high value is there, okay, if N value is higher, then ionization energy will be easier. So in this question telling that if N value will be less, then N value is less, okay, then ionization energy is more. Here it is telling that easier. Easier means low ionization energy. So this statement is incorrect. Incorrect. So in our question, they wanted the incorrect statement. So our correct answer is this one, children. Let me see how many options are there. C statement I didn't understand. Sir, option D, okay. Couldn't understand C. Let me see what is the C. The greater increase in ionization energy is experienced on removal of electron from core noble gas configuration. See children, suppose Na is there. Okay. So Na is having 2, 8 and 1. So it is easy to remove electron from here. So if you give IE1, it will become Na plus, an electron will be removed. Now the electronic configuration of Na plus is this. So this configuration is like a noble gas configuration, like neon. Okay, now it is not easy to remove electron from Na plus. Okay, now you want to understand B. Okay, this is B. Okay, you want to see end of valence electron. See, end of valence electron is marked by a big jump in ionization energy. End of valence electron means, do you understand end of valence electron? So when you keep on moving to the valence electron, so neon inert gas is there, that is ending with the valence electron. Okay, again you enter electron, that will come into a new orbit, and new orbit will be from group 1, and group 1 you know it is alkali metal, so it is an alkali metal. So this is the ending. This is the end of valence electron. If you fill one more electron, it will become like this. So all of a sudden ionization energy will decrease. It will not increase. They are telling the big jump in ionization energy. Big jump means increasing of ionization. Instead of increasing, ionization energy will decrease. Ionization energy will decrease. I think you understand.
Sir, please explain option 1 also. Option A.
Core noble gas configuration.
Sir, option A, sir.
No, this noble gas configuration, did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. A, ionization energy increases for
Yes, sir.
each successive electron. Each successive, I think today only we were discussing that if one atom is there, okay, suppose aluminum is there. So if we want to remove one electron, it will become aluminum plus, an electron will be removed. Now, aluminum plus is, tell me, smaller than aluminum or bigger than aluminum? Aluminum plus is smaller or bigger than aluminum?
Sir, I think smaller.
Smaller. You should not think you should be perfect, because you know I have explained that cation is always smaller than
neutral atom.
Then it is a cation. So it is smaller, and you know that if size is small, okay, ionization energy will be more.
Yes.
Inversely proportional, no?
Yes, sir.
So now if again you want to remove electron, this is known as successive removal, one after one.
Plus 2.
Did you understand? Now
Yes.
tell me, out of these three particles, which is the smallest?
Al plus 2.
Then it will be very difficult to remove electron from Al plus 2.
Al plus 3.
So ionization energy is keep on increasing. Means IE3 is greater than IE2 is greater than IE1. This is known as order of successive ionization energy.
Okay.
So here they have told that ionization energy will keep on increasing for each successive electron. So it is increasing. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because
yes,
as
sir.
you remove the electron, the particle will become smaller and smaller. And if particle will become smaller and smaller, ionization energy will increasing.
And
Okay.
sir, please once again explain the option number C. There is a little bit confusion.
C. End of the valence electrons. C.
Yes.
Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. So valence electron was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it is octet is completed.
Yes, sir.
After 8, again it came what? Sodium.
Yes, sir.
So in sodium, so here the electronic configuration was 2, 8.
Yes.
Here it was 2, 7. Here it was 2, 6. Here it was 2, 5. 2, 4. 2, 3. 2, 2. 2, 1 like this. So now here in sodium, the electronic configuration will be 2, 8 and 1. So one extra orbit is increased. So
Yes,
the
sir.
size will increase.
Yes, sir.
First orbit, second orbit and third orbit. And size increases, ionization energy will decrease.
Yes, sir.
Instead of increasing, it will decrease.
Yes, sir.
See, sir, here ionization energy was kept on increasing. But after neon, again ionization energy, instead of increasing, it is what? Decreasing. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So there will be not a big jump in ionization energy. Okay, it will reduce to a lot of extent. So I think this concept is very clear. All participants, please raise your hand. I am unmuting everybody. Everybody understood this concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Srijita,
Yes, sir.
Kesav Gautam,
Sir,
Did you understand the concept?
Sir,
Rakib,
last part once can you, hello?
Rakib,
Sir,
Understood, sir.
Sri Lakshmi,
Yes, sir. Understood.
Subham Jha, sorry, Subham Laha.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you please explain the second option? Means four noble gas configuration.
Yeah, who is asking this question? Who is asking this question?
Four noble electronic gas configuration.
Name of the
Noble
participant.
gas.
Beta,
Sir,
your
Shubham
name.
Lahak. Sir, my name is Shubham Lahak.
Subham Laha, okay. The noble gas configuration, no? Noble gas configuration. Noble gas configuration means all
Second option.
inert gases having 8 electron in their outermost electron, no?
Yes, sir.
8 electrons. So 8 means
Yes,
octet.
sir.
And octet means a kind of stability is there.
Yes, sir.
So it is known in chemistry that once anything in the outermost orbit attain octet, then it become very stable, and you cannot disturb a stable particle. I gave you one example also, no?
Yes, sir.
What example today I gave you? Stable and unstable. Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
One person was having journey in general bogie.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyhow. Next, see, please take care of the next question. Please maintain background silence. I think this question touched nearly many concepts, no?
Yes, sir.
One participant having, I think, background noise. One participant. That participant is requested. Okay, that question number 2, children. Question number 2. Please try to solve the question without my help, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
And nobody will tell answer unless and until if I don't ask.
Yes, sir.
Which transition involves maximum amount of energy? Okay, A, M minus, it is in gaseous form, gives M in gaseous form and 1 electron is released. B, it is M minus, gas, gives M plus and gives 2 electron. Option C, M plus is there, gas, it will become M plus 2, gas, okay, given 1 electron. And D, M plus 2, it is gas, it will give you M plus 3, gas, and loses 1 electron. Come on,
Fourth option.
are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because see, here Children, tell me the remaining person also tell me the answer. This is, please arrange them because they have not mentioned any electronic configuration. So we cannot touch the electronic configuration term. But they have given minus and plus. So we can see the size.
Yes,
We can see the size. Okay. Okay. So M minus is bigger. Okay, children. Then what? M plus, and M plus is bigger than M plus 2. So I told you it is very difficult to remove electron from the smallest particle.
smallest one.
So your answer will be D. Your answer will be D.
D, option D.
Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
Why M plus is the smallest?
Why it is smallest?
Yes, sir.
Because cation is smaller than its parent atom. So here M is the parent atom, no? So M plus will be smaller than M, and M minus will be bigger. So those who are bigger, it is easy to remove electron. Then M, and then M plus, and then M plus 2. Did you understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so actually this question tried to ask which information. This question is trying to touch which concept?
Atomic size.
Successive I.
The relation
Yeah,
between atomic
means
size and
successive ionization in it. Successive ionization, energy, and ionization energy is inversely proportional to size.
atomic size.
This concept they have touched, and successive energy. IE3 is greater than IE2 is greater than IE1. Okay, children, shall I go for the third question?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So our third question is, children, the second IE2 is maximum for, see, IE2 means removal of the second electron. First electron is removed, then we are removing the second electron. So option A, boron. Option B, beryllium. Option C, Mg. And option D, aluminium.
Sir, Mg, sir.
See the question nicely.
Oh,
Okay.
maximum. Okay.
In which case maximum is required?
Aluminium, sir. Sir, Mg. Option 3.
Sir, I think Mg, sir. Mg.
Sir, Mg.
Okay, let us consider everything.
Lithium.
See,
Aluminium.
lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and like this. Neon, is sodium, then magnesium, then aluminium.
Aluminum.
Okay. So you know that ionization energy increases. Sorry, ionization atomic size increases from top to bottom. So these are bigger atoms.
Bottom.
These are bigger atoms, isn't it? So it is easy to remove electron
Yes, sir.
from bigger atom. Okay, and then so we have
Yes,
we
sir.
will remove this aluminium and magnesium. We will remove. in options because they are bigger atom, children. Okay. Now we will concentrate to beryllium and boron. Okay. So in beryllium and boron, today we made
The
one
beryllium
graph.
then.
Today we made one graph. Did you remember?
Yes.
In
Yes,
boron, electron was removed from P, and in beryllium it was removed from S. That also fulfilled.
Yes, sir.
Did you remember or
Beryllium,
not?
special case.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
I
sir.
think your answer will be
Yes, sir.
B.
Beryllium.
Option B, sir.
Sir, can you explain again?
but now, children, try to understand what I'm asking. The
Sir,
in
can you
question, wait. My explanation is not completed. So this concept we have applied for IE1 children. This concept was for IE1. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but in the question they are not asking for IE1. They are asking for
I2.
IE2. So first of all, we will remove this because they are in higher orbit. Let us bring beryllium and boron. So beryllium is having 4 electron, 1s2, 2s2. This is S and this is S. So 2 electrons are there, 2 electrons are there. Boron, 5 electrons are there. 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1. So now, children, if they ask about IE1, then we can say IE1 in this case is greater than IE1 of this case.
Yes, sir.
But after removing electron, Be will become plus charge and electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s1. And after removing electron, boron will become plus, means it will be having already lost whatever the energy it has received. Now configuration is 1s2 and 2s2. So now see the situation. Now see the situation. Okay, children. So in beryllium, how many jets are there?
Yes, sir.
In beryllium, how many? Which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? Be plus or B plus?
B
For
plus,
that,
B plus, sir.
BE, Z by E value. Here Z is 4, electron is 3. 4 by 3, how much?
sir. 1 point,
Sir,
1.11.
1.3, sir.
1.3.
1.3333.
Okay. And here in boron, what is the value of Z?
5 by 4.
5 by 4. What will be the value? Tell me.
1.25. Sir,
1.25.
1.25.
1.2.
1.25. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there is a narrow difference. There is a narrow difference between Z by E value. Not much difference. But here we can see that okay, it is in stable form. 1s2, 2s2, like this. It became like this. like beryllium. Try to understand what I am telling. When beryllium was having this configuration, its ionization energy was more.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After losing electron, boron becomes with same configuration like this.
Yes, sir.
So now it is difficult to remove electron from this case.
Yes, sir.
Now it is difficult to remove from this case.
Yes, sir.
You understand my concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you want to remove electron, so if you want to provide IE2, so it will become B plus 2. And this
Yes.
electron will be removed from here. And it is difficult. It is
Yes,
difficult.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Difficult. So our answer will be what?
Yes, sir. Boron.
Our answer will be boron.
Option A.
Did you understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question was nice or not?
Yes, sir.
Then nice
Conceptual
also,
question.
tricky also.
Nice also and tricky also. Yes, definitely. So we have to discuss such type of question only. So please note it down first.
Noted down, sir.
Okay, so I am removing, then I will give you another question.
Just scroll down.
Is it okay?
Sir, down, sir, down. No, sir, down, down.
This is fulfilled. S is fulfilled. That's why it is stable. We have tried for Z by E ratio also, but that also became nearly same only.
Yes.
Slight difference.
Slight difference. So that's why I told you, in the beginning only I told you what are the various factors which affect ionization energy. So this is known as stable electronic configuration.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here 2 electrons are there, here 1 electron is there. So when it is unpaired, no? So you can remove unpaired electron easily compared to a couple one.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
If they are coupling, no, they are they are in some type of attraction mode. So you generally you cannot separate them. Okay, they are attracted by opposite
Understood.
spin. So they have some sort of
Attraction.
Okay. Arya Chakravarti. Arya Chakravarti?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no? Unmuted, no?
Yes, sir. Unmute.
Okay. So now we'll go for next question.
से बड़ी गर्मी है आपकी कल पंखा लगा दिया था फिर भी क्या
No, no, don't make noise. Don't make noise.
वो तो जुड़ जाएगा टांग नहीं जुड़ेगी
Children, don't make noise. Next question.
अरे आप ठीक है
Question number 4. Question number 4. In the following, the element with highest ionization energy is option A, neon 3s2 3p1, option B, neon 3s2 3p3, option C, neon 3s2 3p2, and option D, neon 3s2 3p4. Okay, children, tell me. I have unmuted everybody.
B.
Which option
Sir,
is
option
correct?
2. Sir. Sir, option B.
Sir, D.
Option B.
Sir, option B, sir.
Sir, D. Option B.
B, sir, B.
B. Okay, because
Sir, option
because
D.
Half field stability.
yeah, because
Half field stability.
see, because up to here
Upfield.
everybody is having same configuration.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we have to focus on B. So, okay, this is single electron. This is single in two orbital. These are also single, and this is unstable. But this is half field stable. Half field stability factor is working over here.
Yes, sir.
So I told you. That's why I told you what are the factors affecting the ionization energy. So atomic
Yes, sir.
radius, stable electronic configuration, okay, screening effect,
Successive
nuclear
electron.
charge, okay, and type of orbitals. So you can make out the answer is B. Did you understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question is,
Yes, sir.
question number 5. The electronic configuration for some neutral atoms. Neutral atoms are given below. Okay. Okay. Which of these is expected to have the highest,
351.
have the
Highest.
highest IEP value. Okay, I am writing electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s2. Option B 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Option C 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. And option D 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p3.
D, sir, D.
Remember they are asking for IE2.
Sir, option 2, sir.
Yes,
And
Option B. Option B.
the second option.
Option
Second option.
Option 2.
Second option.
B.
second option. Yes.
Second
Now you are-
option, sir. Second
now-
option.
Now you are becoming intelligent, because if you remove one electron, so it will become 3s1. So that also can be
Sir, half
removed.
stability.
If you remove electron, it will become 3p1. That also can be removed. If you remove electron, it will become 3p2. That can also be easily removed. But once you remove electron, it will become 3s0. So now, yeah, now it will become stable electronic configuration. So IE2 will be the highest in B
Yes,
case.
sir.
So your B case is very important. So I think we have solved some important problems. And please let me know the timing also.
Sir, 353.
Oh, so it's, let me end the class
Yes,
and we will
sir.
carry it tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So did you like the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting now? Did you are you feeling that yes, you have entered into some depth?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay. Let's have a happy ending.
Yes, sir.
Start.